So your Honda Civic Smart key remote not working all the time? Are you having to push the button multiple times, get closer to the vehicle, unlocking and locking the vehicle, or just having to hold the Smart key remote to the start switch to start your vehicle? This could be nothing but a weak battery, so let's stop worrying. Let's change the battery out first before calling a locksmith or going to the dealership and see if that was a problem. I'll show you step by step in this video. No special tools. All you need is a brand new CR2032 battery. I will give you this warning right now. Please listen to the instructions first before just doing it, because if not, it will cause an issue. Take your remote, we'll flip it over. You got your emergency release here on the back. Spring loaded, pull it towards you. And when you look down in there, you see there's this gap right in between there. Take your tip of your key, gently push it in, and you're going to hear it slide in. Just twist, and you want to hear one snap. That's it. Now lay it down, and now pop it open. Here's your battery, CR2032 battery. Let's remove that. Now, replace it with a good quality battery. These are what I use. It's not product placement nor sponsorship. Positive side is up. Go in at an angle like such. Push down, and when you put it in, I just seen a little red light flash, so I know the battery's good. Now, you notice how it wants to pop up? Don't worry. Take the back half, put it on there, and gently squeeze the two halves together. Go ahead and put your emergency blade in. Now, if you didn't follow the instructions earlier, and your buttons came out right there, here at the end of this video is how to fix that. And if you got to hit the emergency release, get the blade back in, don't worry. You just changed your battery, and if it works, you saved yourself a few bucks. Hey, if you found this video helpful, like the video, leave a comment down below, hit the subscribe button. But remember, let's be safe out there.